Welcome everyone and thank you so much for joining in. As you can see guys, the price of Bitcoin right now is definitely flashing us a very interesting scenario. A scenario which is pointing us where the price in the medium short term, where the price for the coming days might be possibly heading. So before I jump into the content, please do me a favor by destroying that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now, if you look at this price action of Bitcoin in a weekly time frame, we can see guys, the price after testing the resistance around 49,000 has started to show some weakness. But if you look at this scenario by using this rising trend line, using this Fibonacci line, even the Williams alligator indicator, what is being flashed? Let me break this down for you guys. Let me start this from the beginning. I mean, if we look at this continuation pattern, higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern in a weekly time frame, we can see guys, each and every retracement, if you take this Fibonacci retracement from this low till this high during an uptrend, you can see this retracement ended when we got attracted in between 0.5.618 Fibonacci line before continue our uptrend. Now what we are going to do, we are going to take this Fibonacci line from this low till this high. We can see another retracement around 0.5.618 Fibonacci line before continuing this impulsive move. Now if this here is going to be another continuation after forming this double bottom type of formation, you can see, right, double bottom type of formation, what could be also unfolding here? A retracement in between 0.5.618 Fibonacci line. I mean, the price of Bitcoin in our case could be also getting attracted in between this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line before continue our uptrend. I mean, getting attracted in between 36,000 range, and only after that continue our actual uptrend. And will this make sense? I mean, price of Bitcoin getting attracted on this 0.618, 0.5 Fibonacci line. If you look at this here and add this Williams alligator indicator, yes, this could make sense, because you can see this Williams alligator indicator top, central and the bottom line is also in between 34 to 41,000 range. Yes guys, this trend line top, central and the bottom Williams alligator indicator could be retested before continue our new uptrend. Why? Because you can see, if you simply look at this price structure, right, in a daily time frame, weekly time frame, doesn't matter. I just want you guys to see where the price of Bitcoin could be getting attracted. If this here is going to be a continuation pattern, then you can see each and every time in the past price action, whenever we got attracted around this rising trend line, what happened after that? The price of Bitcoin after that started with this impulsive move. Each and every time this rising trend line got tested, we had this very nice impulsive move. So now what could be happening here? Price of Bitcoin forming another move here like this, getting attracted towards this rising trend line before continue our new uptrend. Because if we do see price showing a reversal around that area, then you can see in weekly, I just showed you with this green line, this lower trend line again around 36,000 could be retested. And if that does happens, then you can see we will be testing the support from this 0.618 Fibonacci line, which would make sense. Even the support from this Williams alligator indicator before continue our new uptrend. I mean, price of Bitcoin after some weakness, after testing some key line, to start with another impulsive move here like this. That's why guys, that's why I personally think the price of Bitcoin, if it does shows another corrective movement, it could be a buying opportunity, because I have been showing you this Wyckoff's logic where I pointed that this might be a distribution phase, and price after the distribution phase usually starts with a markdown phase, forms a new accumulation phase, new markup phase, and new distribution phase. So according to this Wyckoff logic, this is the area where we could be getting attracted to form a new accumulation phase before starting with a new impulsive move. And if this scenario plays out, I mean, price of Bitcoin getting attracted toward this rising trend line, which in the past price action acted as an extremely important line of support. This 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line, even the support from this Williams alligator indicator, that could be a great buying opportunity, because parallelly we will be also in this Y-curves accumulation phase. Yes guys, we could be forming a new accumulation phase, which could be a new buying zone before continuing with our new impulsive move, because we know any sort of a pullback, it will also indicate some of the bearish scenario which are lining up for Bitcoin will play out perfectly. I mean, this ascending broadening wedge, you can see the ascending broadening wedge upper trend line is looked as a strong line of resistance, lower trend line is looked as a strong line of support. And in our case, the price of Bitcoin has already broken out of this lower trend line, which means it could be resulting in some corrective move. But we have to be careful guys, this might be a bit tricky. Price could show another consolidation, even some impulsive move, and only after that show another corrective move here like this, because we know the price objective definitely sits around 35,000 range. So if we do see price getting attracted around this area, this ascending broadening wedge scenario will play out perfectly. Parallelly, we could be starting to form a new accumulation phase, and price of Bitcoin will be testing the support from this 0.618 line, 0.5 Fibonacci line, even the support from this rising trend line before continuing with this new uptrend. So any sort of a pullback could be a buying opportunity. And now if we look at the price action of Bitcoin here to find out what could be happening in the medium short term, guys, since we have tested the support or broken the lower band, it usually indicates downtrend, right? If you look at this from past price action, during an uptrend, whenever the price has started to break the support from the lower band, what has happened, the price even during this uptrend has showed some relief rally before continuing with this downtrend, before starting with a new impulsive move. And in my personal opinion, we could be also seeing a very similar move. Price of Bitcoin showing some relief rally after testing the support from this lower band, right? A move like this before continue our actual price movement here like this. Price showing some relief rally, right? Then another corrective move around this trend line, forming a new accumulation phase, forming this actual continuation, higher highs, higher lows continuation, and even testing the support from this 0.618, 0.5 Fibonacci line before continue with our actual uptrend. So if that happens, then you can see even the CPI indicator scenario will play out perfectly, guys. Yes, this CPI indicator for now is indicating we could see some more relief rally. I just showed you here in the medium short term, the price of Bitcoin could see more impulsive move because we are testing the support from this lower band. And after testing the support from this lower band in the past price, and we have seen some very nice relief rally. So we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to show some relief rally, because it's not just only the lower band, even the CPR is holding the price very tightly. So as long as we remain above this lower band, as long as we remain above this January CPR around 41,000 in the medium short term, it could result in some more impulsive move here like this. The best case would be in between 45,000. So let's hope in the medium short term the price remains above 41,000 to show some relief rally, because losing this means you can see we already have this price target to the downside, which is at 38,300, 34,000, and the worst case target for this month of January is around 31,000. So please monitor the price movement around 41,000 carefully, because you can see remaining above that range means parallelly we could be also forming a so-called a right angle broadening bottom. Yes guys, this right angle broadening bottom usually indicates uptrend. So in our case, if this is going to be another continuation here to the upside, you can see we have to break this upper band. Breaking the upper band means the price could be starting with a new impulsive move here like this. I mean, price following this breakout pattern here like this, just like as shown here in example, breaking the upper trend line which sits around 43,500, 44,000 could result in another impulsive move. So this upper trend line could be also acting as a magnet for the immediate short term. Yes guys, this upper trend line could be attracting us parallelly. Price finding support at the CPL line means we could try one more time to get attracted towards this upper trend line in the immediate short term. And now let me show you with this volume profile indicator, because you know this volume profile is a very important indicator for us right now, because if the price of Bitcoin wants to show actual relief rally, you can see these trend lines must be broken. POC line, this is a very important line because it showcases at its price point where the most trading activities has occurred over the season. So this trend line might be attracting us. The upper trend line from this right angle broadening bottom might be attracting us, and even the monthly arrow line might be attracting us. For this bullish scenarios to play out, we have to remain above 40,000, 41,000 range. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please destroy that like button, and guys, please do not forget to claim these bonuses. Bybit is giving around 200 futures airdrop if you sign up using this link, either Bitcoin USDT position or Ethereum USDT position. You can see you will receive 200 USDT position airdrop or 30,000 free bonus, and even an opportunity to take part in this 2.2 million USDT prize pool competition. All the links are given in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to grab this opportunity. So guys, by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.